What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today we're going to do a battery change on the Dodge Smart Key. So this Smart Key is going to take replacement battery CR2032, and we'll also want to get ourselves a flathead screwdriver. The first thing we want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom. That's done by pressing this little button on the back. That'll allow the key to slide out. We can just set that to the side. Now, if we take a look near where we just pulled that key out of, right above it, we're going to see this little slot right here. Put your flathead screwdriver in that slot and then just twist it. So I just put it in that slot, twisted it like that, and pop the shell apart a little bit. Go ahead and pull it off. Now we can see our battery there in the back side of the shell. What I like to do is just grab the screwdriver and I'll let you get under the edge of it. Take our new battery, and we want to make sure that we're installing that with the plus side down, like that. So you have your new battery in there, again with the plus side down. You can snap the two halves back together, and then slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. Pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.